Alexa, dismiss alarm. Good morning, guys. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. I didn't really sleep because I'm so excited to go to Miami. We're gonna go pick up Justin, take a Uber, and I'll show you basically the process of getting to Miami. And I'll try to vlog even though I hate vlogging, and honestly I'm kind of scared as well to vlog in public, but we'll do it. It's gonna be fun, and we grow with challenging ourselves and by conquering our fears, right? So let's get it. All right, guys, so I'm about to head off and go take a Uber. Hopefully I can get one. I scheduled one yesterday, but I don't know. These things sometimes are not really reliable. And I also wanted to show you my new shoes that I bought 2 days ago with one of my buddies at the store. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about these shoes and pretty excited to go to Miami as well. I don't even know what I'm saying, honestly, guys, just because I'm so stoked. I didn't go to so many other places before when I was younger. Didn't really get that opportunity growing up in a average family, if we can call it that. So yeah, now that business is going well and everything, it's nice that I can actually go with some of my buddies. I mean, right now I'm just going with one of my friends, but it's nice that I can go to other places and explore the world. And the best part about this trip is that I don't even pay a thing about it, because most of the expenses are business expenses, and I also pay the flight with my Amex card points, just because I have so many expenses on the business. So it gives me points, and I can use these points to actually pay for flights like these, even though I don't really travel that much right now, just because I like to focus on my routine, my goals and stuff like that. But anyways, it's a good thing, and I'm gonna stop talking. Alright, so as I expected, the trip was actually canceled for whatever reason, so these things are not really reliable, so I have to probably call another one. And I also forgot my mask, so I have to go back to the condo and go get the mask. Alright guys, so we got Justin, we picked it up. This guy. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Doing amazing, excited.
Excited?
It's about to be a nice trip.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
Let's go. Say hi.
Okay. Hi. From Montreal.
Montreal. Alright guys, so we're about to land in Miami in about like 10 minutes. So I'm excited. We got Justin filming right now, so I'm gonna show you when we land. Alright guys, so we just landed in Miami. The weather is incredible, like I expected. I think I'm just going to get my shirt off just to, enjoy the summer and the summer weather and everything, like the whole vibe of Miami. Because basically, I live in Quebec, so during the winter for like 5-6 months, the weather is crap. It's snowy, it's cold, it's not fun. You don't really go outside that much, and you can only enjoy the summer during the summer. So yeah, I think my plan is for the next year to actually get a place, either to rent a place like an Airbnb, or actually buy a property eventually in Miami or in Florida if I like it, to actually live there during the winter, to escape the winter, just because I hate it. I used to do snowboarding before, so it was a way for me to like go through the winter in a fun way, but now I don't do it anymore, just because I had like 2 concussions, and I need my head right now to focus on my business, right, and grow as a person. So I don't want to risk it anymore. So yeah, I think the plan right now is we're just going to go grab some food, eat, just get the essential basic needs, and then after that we will probably try to go to the beach, because we're like 5-10 minutes walk from the beach. I'll show you the Airbnb right now and give you a little tour. So we didn't go with the castle, but it gets the job done, basically just to sleep there and eat here. Most of the time we'll basically be outside, either on the beach or on the go exploring relaxing. So what's the plan? Get some food, right?
Get some food. Get some American food, right? Some American garbage. Some real good Chipotle, if possible. If there's that, you know, somewhere close. I mean, we're noobs when it comes to America, but that. And then once we get the food, I guess go to the beach.
Yeah, let's go. All right, so yeah, we're gonna try to maybe Uber Eats, or just trying to find a restaurant.
Both, I don't mind. I would say I'll check maps and see what's close by.
That's a real vacation, guys, when you don't plan anything and you just go with the flow. Basically, just to intro you guys, I'll do a quick intro to this guy right here. You know, if you don't understand yet who this guy is, we actually met in 6th grade.
We did.
And yeah, in like an intensive English program. And then yeah, we were friends. And then afterwards, for a few years, we weren't friends anymore. And then we like came back together because of business and because we were also a bit more mature. So yeah, long story short, like we snowboarded together, we played video games together, like Minecraft and stuff like that back in the day, and Call of Duty.
Yeah.
And now we're like running businesses that is in a similar field. So it's really nice because not only are we friends like outside of business, but we can also talk about business as well. So yeah, I love the fact that we can like talk about multiple things and not just one specific thing together. So that's pretty much it, guys.
There you
We'll
go.
catch you with the food.
Let's go get some food. I was confused by the subway, honestly.
You were confused? This guy was confused by the subway.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so we just went to get some Subway and this girl was staring at me and it's quite funny in the background. But anyways, we're about to eat some food and then the plan is to go get some groceries just because we don't have any food right now. Go get some water bottles because I don't trust the water in the US and also in Montreal as well because the water in where I live is pretty disgusting. And yeah, after that maybe we're gonna go to the beach. We'll see. We'll see if this guy, we can bring him to the beach. Are you ready for the beach, bro?
My bright white ass on the beach is gonna be spectacular. Probably gonna turn red really fast.
So far it's really good. I mean, first impression, first of all, the mask, you don't need to wear any mask. So that's pretty nice. I feel free again. But yeah, the cars are clean. They have palm trees. The weather is good. And I don't know, just everyone just looks like they have a high net worth in general and you feel kind of safe. So why'd you left your car to that guy, bro?
I don't know, man. He had to go getting clean. I told him, you know, be right back in 5 minutes.
All right, so Justin told me he was down to get a second tattoo actually, but he's not sure yet. He wants to see if he feels the vibe or not. I want him to do it because that'd be fucking dope.
Let's put some peer pressure on Justin. Justin, if you don't get tattooed in Miami, everyone watching will hate you, bro. Like, I'll give them your IG and they'll comment on your TikTok, bro, and everything, bro.
Hey, we'll see about that. We'll see what happens at the end of the trip.
All right, I was telling that to Justin before I started recording, but I don't actually plan on getting married. You know, completely off topic right now, like coming out of the left field, but my parents aren't married, so that's why I don't necessarily plan on being married. But if I ever do get married, guys, it's going to be with someone that actually speaks Spanish. And here, a lot of Cubans are here, a lot of people that speak Spanish, and it's really sexy, so I can't deny it. Cover tone. Let's get that. Good, now let's get some flip-flops.
I think that's a nice beach hat.
Oh, no. I'm getting these for sure.
This?
Yeah, bro.
Nice.
Yeah, bro. I'm not getting the other like ugly ones that I picked up before. Fuck that. Okay. That's the good Miami stuff. Yeah. Okay. I see. Yeah, we need to like be like Miami tourists, 100%. So yeah, I'll get these actually. Let's go, Michael Jackson. Oh yeah, now you look like a fucking tourist, like tourist 101.
All right, guys. So my flip-flops are too small. And obviously it's kind of dumb because I didn't really try them on. I just bought them whatever. So what I'll try to do, and shout out to my mom because my mom is an expert at this, from shopping to winners and stuff like that. I'll try to actually put back the tag. Show them the tag, bro. Show them the tag. I'll try to put the tag actually back and see if I can pull it off. And I'll try to go back to the store and see if I can get the large one instead of the medium one. I'm using this paper. Fuck, it doesn't work. Hold on, I'll just take the big one. Okay.
I think you're good.
Yeah, it won't stick for long though, so we have to go to the store again. All right, so now it's fixed. Now, obviously, if you look at it, it shows, but final product we're gonna give it a shot and see if we can get the large ones without paying any more money. That's how we do it, guys. If it works, I'm really happy because it's gonna be a good tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how to get more money like this when you make mistakes like me by not really thinking about your purchase beforehand. Because whatever, right? You're on vacation, you're in Miami, you gotta enjoy it. All right, guys, see you in the store. Are you good?
Yeah, you have your receipt?
We don't have the receipt, right?
I don't know.
Well,
I think we
don't have
did.
it right now.
I don't have it on me.
And then now I know Justin's gonna be pissed off because we're doing a lot of back and forth, but hey, we're on vacation, so we gotta chill, right?
2 hours later.
They don't have the large.
I'll take maybe in another. Oh yeah, they do.
Just try it.
It's much better.
It's still kind of tight.
It's still tight.
But whatever. I forgot my credit card at home. Alright guys, so we got the large flip-flops. We returned them, no issue. But we had to do like 2-3 back and forths with Justin. And I know Justin loves to do back and forth and lose time, just like myself. But anyways, we got the large and it's still too tight, but whatever. It'll do the job and we'll go to the beach right now. Let's go, let's get it. Getting ready to go to the restaurant. We just went to the beach. It was pretty fun, pretty relaxing. And now we're gonna head to a restaurant nearby. We just also bought 2 cigars. Let me show you guys the cigars that we bought. I don't smoke, but usually, sometimes, occasionally during the summer, I like to smoke a cigar with some of my friends just to relax. It's kind of a vibe and you don't actually absorb the smoke. So, I mean, hey, like I'm trying to convince myself logically that it's like less damaging, aka more healthy, even though I know it's not, but whatever. So yeah, we got some Monte Cristo, 2 of them, and we also bought some drinks, and I don't know where Justin put them, but so these 2 drinks to go with the cigar, because just smoking a cigar alone is really dry, and we don't necessarily want to drink whiskey right now, just because we don't want to get like too deep into the alcohol for the first night, and take it slow, you know, like warm it up slowly and slowly. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys, and I don't know if I'll be able to vlog for the rest of the day. I'll try, but sometimes I forget because it's not really natural, and honestly I don't necessarily enjoy it. I don't feel comfortable talking to the camera and talking to myself. All right, actually, while I have you guys, let me try to show you something on my phone that I think is pretty nice. I caught a lizard. What do you think of that? Huh? Just what do you think?
Dude, I thought that was
Disgusting.
no, I thought that was actually I was actually pretty surprised because these things are fast as fuck.
Yeah, right?
They're real fast.
I'm gonna try to put a picture on the screen of like the small lizard I caught, but it's pretty easy. I mean, just put your 2 hands on it and you get it. So yeah, that's the lizard. Hey.
Yeah, ready?
Sorry?
You ready?
What's that?
Yeah, ready, yeah? Ready?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Sorry, I don't get what you're saying.
The juice is ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, we're ready. Yeah. Gotcha. Sorry.
Yeah,
The mask sometimes. Yeah. Appreciate it, man.
That market is crazy.
Yeah, no, I get you. Totally.
Thank you. Hi. Yeah. You just need to what, sorry?
Set up by the couch.
Okay. And you guys will come, or how does that work?
My dad, he's on the resident, he's gonna go
Yeah.
in a second, sir.
Okay, thank you.
It has a history where tobacco comes from. I don't have a history. I've only been doing this for 4 years, but there is a big American story, which I try to tell it around the walls here, if you notice. And that I'm going to share with you. I promise not to bore. It's about 5 minutes. I hope I'm pressure's on me.
No pressure, man.
Oh man, no pressure whatsoever. They do 6 million cigars a year. You know, there's some, but here we do 60,000. So, but it's the steps and the standards is what I wanted to see. And we're following more to the Cuban standard. I'll go over that when we get to them there. We're gonna start with the bottom part. So the best way to get a sweat, you open it like a book and smell it. If you're not used to tobacco, you might not like this. It's okay. It just.
Oh, is this just different than that one? He's honest.
I'm an honest fry. I'll tell you the way it is, so you don't get any surprises. It's gonna hit you right in the face when you put it in your face.
Yeah.
It's actually soft stuff.
See? I love you.
Yeah.
It makes you. We have to keep it moist because these get dry. The air conditioner. Water.
Oh, okay.
Just water. And after I told you, there's nothing else. This is really the beginning of a cigar. Now he's gonna pick veins in. See, he's picking a vein because he has a wrapper underneath that he can cover, and he's gonna leave that nice and neat. It's very attractive to buy it, and then if it tastes good, it becomes a love affair. They call it the mistress.
The mistress.
Or the mistress, whatever it is, or the mistress. If you don't have experience with these guillotines here, because you can go further down, you can get a precision one, but you're not going to go any further than what it's supposed to go.
Nice.
Just make sure it doesn't go any further than that. You'll see a little belly, it's already cut, but you'll see a belly, and then just cut across. And then once it's cut, toasted means you're going to just burn it here a little bit first. That way, it's already started to burn.
So step forward and put it in your mouth.
We were able to actually order alcohol, even though this kid is just 20 years old. But we gotta keep it a secret. Cheers. Hey!
Yesterday, we tried getting into a club in Mangos, but we didn't manage to. We tried to bribe the actual bouncer, but yeah, it didn't really work. Justin tried giving like $40, I think.
Yeah, and then we realized that in Miami, $40 is worth nothing. So, as a friend David said, I think it would have to have been $500 for it to be of any value to the bouncer. So, yeah, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to wait another month before I can get into any clubs. So that was pretty much the end of the story. Or actually, no, that wasn't, because we did sneak into the other one, or at least I did.
Yeah, like the bouncer was looking away, and then